Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with one of my spiritual lessons or rituals. Today we're going to talk about basically what the mysticals knew about manifestation that was held back from you or kept secret. This is a hot topic because a lot of people are trying to manifest whatever it is they want in their life, whether it's love, health, money, a career boost, whatever, maybe finding that new house or that new car, and they just know something's wrong. They're not doing something right. And why is it other people manifest and I can't? So today we're going to talk about what the mystics knew and the code they use, the blueprint they use to manifest things in their life. Now listen, I want you to watch this all the way to the end, because you guys know I love throwing in extra tips like rituals that you can do to help boost your confidence and manifest whatever it is that you want. Now, we're going to basically talk about the Essenes, okay, and the Egyptians and what they use for manifestation, okay? So now let's get to this. I'm going to talk to you exactly about the formula or the code or the blueprint that they use right now. So the first thing, it's going to be 4 steps, okay? And again, these 4 steps is basically what we're already doing, but I want to show you how decades and centuries ago, how these were already used before we knew anything about the law of attraction, the law of assumption, manifestation. These things were already being done. So now, what are the 4 steps? And it kills me because everything goes in order. It's like the universe put everything there, and it's almost like it's there and there's nothing you can do about it. We all know about the seasons, the fall, the winter, the spring and the summer. We all know about, gender, male and female, and 9 months to have a child as a human, and how everybody goes through these same things. The same thing about manifestation, and it all correlates. Even with the moon phases, you guys, we have the new moon, the waxing moon, the full moon, and the waning moon. Regardless to what, every single month we have this cycle, okay? So when it comes down to manifestation, it's the same thing. Now, what are the 4 cycles that we're going to talk about? And again, it even correlates with the elements: fire, water, air, and earth. Okay, so it all correlates, and this is no accident. So where am I going with this? The first thing is the ancient manifestation code. One of the things, the first step is imagination, and the imagination, it's linked with fire. Okay, you guys, why fire? Because fire is that motivation. It's that idea. It's that thing that you have in your head that's going to set off. So the Essenes always connected, and the Egyptians, the imagination with fire. So what are we saying about imagination when it comes down to manifestation? It is basically setting your intent, okay? It could be setting your intent through your imagination, visualization, whatever it is you want to do. So when we say imagination, the mystics including the Essenes, believes that's where creation starts, and it's in your mind. Like, it is so amazing how centuries and centuries ago, people knew this, okay? But we're not being taught this in school at all. I know I wasn't. Your imagination is what sets the tone of whatever it is you're going to see in your life, whether it's good or bad, okay? They all knew this, okay? So now, whatever it is, I need you to see whatever it is that you want and make it as vivid as possible. We're not going to stop there, but that is what they said started everything flowing. Visualization, okay? Imagination. They call it fire. Now, where are we going from there? Emotions. We always talk about this. They looked at it as the water, the feeling is the activator. Whoa. Didn't Neville Goddard say the same thing? Feelings is the activator. Now listen, this is way before Catherine Ponder, Ernest Holmes, Neville Goddard, Stuart Wilde, or Joseph Murphy, Reverend Ike. This is before all of that. Why isn't this being taught in school? So the visualization is the start of the process of your manifestation. Then it's the feelings. Whoa. So now you got to feel like it's real. How would you feel if whatever it is that you desired was manifesting in your life? Would you be jumping up? Would you be excited? Would you be sweating under your arms? Would you be just full of joy? How would you feel? Now, the third step is what they call the word. Connected to air. What is it when you speak? When you do affirmations, you are basically sending it out, okay? And this is what they considered very powerful to get it moving, to get it going, okay? So they also call this the YHWH, or they call it the tetragrammaton, okay? And this is a system that they use to put the word out about their manifestation. So it could be something like, I am aligned with abundance. Whatever it is, not only did they see it, not only did they feel it, but they spoke it. Again, we're going back centuries, you guys, centuries. So now, the last step is action. Earthly planes. It is not about manifesting and sitting back. It's about taking action and allowing the universe to work through you to bring to you whatever it is that you want. Now, listen. I did not just pull this up, and you can look for it yourself. These are things all mystics have in common. They want you to see whatever it is that you desire. They want you to infuse your emotions in it. They want you also to speak it, whether you're speaking it, writing it, whatever. They want you to put it out there, and then they want you to take action. And it is just that simple. Now, what kind of action would I tell you to do? I would tell you, if you're trying to get that house, start correcting your credit, taking rides out there, looking at houses. Even if you're not ready, go out there anyway, like I did in my home for when I bought my townhouse on the water. I wasn't ready, but you know what? God was ready. So, one thing that I want you to know about the mystics didn't beg. They knew whatever they wanted, whatever they were going to manifest, it was already done. Now, here's a simple ritual that you can do to help you with your manifestations. You can actually sit in front of a candle, and this is a prosperity candle that's available on my site. You can sit in front of a candle and you can visualize whatever it is that you desire. You can visualize of you having that car or that house or that money in the bank, and you can make comments. Very simple affirmations like, my bank account grows more and more every day. I see my bank account is growing more and more every day, and I am financially free. Whatever. Keep it simple, but keep it happy, keep it friendly, and keep it easy to remember. Okay? Then you can actually, again, visualize yourself seeing whatever it is you want. Take deep breaths. And when you let out all the tension, the fear, the worry, let it out and smile and know that it's already done. Let's just say you want to manifest money. See money coming to you, whether it's in the mailbox or maybe someone giving you a check, whatever. But say thank you. Feel the joy, feel the excitement, and say, thank you, God, for blessing me with this extra money. I just want to make sure you guys understand, though, manifestation is about knowing what you want, setting the intent, whether it's visualization by seeing it, then putting emotions in there, using your emotions to feel the excitement, to smell the new car, to feel the steering wheel, or to feel the doorknob as you open up your new home, or to open up the envelope to see a big check in there. Whatever it is, I need you to feel it and feel the emotions that go with it. That is going to be the power booster. Then I need you to speak it as if it's already done. Whether you're saying, thank you, God, for blessing me with my house. Thank you, God, for my money is growing more and more every single day. Whatever it is, I want you to release the negative, release the anger, release the feelings of desperation, whatever it is. Let it go and know that you are a manifester. You are the creator of your life. So listen, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and thank you for watching this video. If you want anything from my New Age store, go right out there and click on this QR code. It will take you right to the product page where you can absolutely buy whatever you need for your mystical information. Much love to you all. Signing out. This is Yvette, and namaste.